ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Welcome to Vedic class course. Today is our 8th day. We will just recap last class because some ambiguity was there, questions, okay, due to some reasons. So root, cube root technique we saw.
Sir, and we saw the square of 3 digit.
That was a side point and easy technique that already I taught, but again we saw that. Okay, 3-digit you see now. Square, cube root you see, very important. So this pair we must remember. In this pair, one thing is easy, that 4, actually how we can remember this, who married with whom, this way we can remember. Okay, like 4 married with 4, 5 married with 5, like that. तो देखो इसमें 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0 उनके नंबर ऑलमोस्ट सेम है, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 0, 0. ओके, सो अगर मैं बोलूंगा 8, so 8 married with 2. If I say, if I ask you 7, then you have to answer 3.
3,
3 married with
7,
7,
okay, 2 married with
8,
8,
easy, 8, 7, 3, 2. Otherwise 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, they married with same number. Okay, this is a important. Then first technique was, any number you take, we are finding out the perfect cube root, not decimal cube root. Then what is the first step? Just 5 minutes quick recap. You have to draw a line after 3 digit. Go from left to right, draw a line. Okay, so you draw the line. Yes. The next step was, again you see this. So having drawn the line, 262 falls where? Okay, 262 falls where? Between 6 and 7, right? 262.
yes sir,
Between
yes
6
sir,
and 7. I am going to choose lesser number, like 6 and 7. Which number is lesser? 6.
6,
Right? So I have to find out first where it is falling. Okay. Then I have to choose less number. Okay. So you see now. Mute. Shasana. Yes. So 262 falls in between 216 to 343. So 6 and 7. So I will write down lesser number, that is 6.
6,
Okay. So 4, this we should not forget. So
so answer is 64.
yeah, we have seen that last time, but how to find out? Okay, 4 ने किससे married किया था? 4 married
4 से ही.
4. Yes.
4 से ही,
So and ये falls between 6 and 7. I will write down lesser number.
6,
64 is the correct answer.
Yeah.
64,
Now you see, 7 married with whom?
3,
3. So I
3.
will write down first step. You put a line after 3 digit. Write down 3, and 12 comes where? Between 2 and 3. Okay, which is the lesser number?
2,
2,
Is
2
lesser.
is the
23
lesser
is the
number.
correct
Yeah.
answer.
Then I will write down
23.
then next this number is there 6 digit, last number is 9. 9 married with whom?
9.
9 itself.
9.
Yeah, 9 itself. Then I will write down 9. I will put first 9 after 3 digit. I will go left to right. And then 117 falls where? Between 4 and 5.
Between 4
Yes.
and 5.
4. 4.
I will
So answer will be 4.
4.
Very
4.
good.
49 is the correct answer.
49
49.
correct answer.
49.
So key is there. Okay. Yeah. Now another technique we saw how to find out any date will be given and how to find out the day. Yes. So how to do that? That also 1 minute we will see. 100-year calendars. It is actually easy technique. Once you practice it more, then you can go ahead easily, just like that. You will hear the date and you will tell the answer. So it was a bit confusing, but today once again we will see. Okay, 100-year calendars. Okay, for that we have to have keys. Okay, so keys, how to remember for 20th century I told you. Okay, like 19 se leke. So this is the key: January, February, March, April. 73361462573. Okay, how to do this key, how to make these keys, I will tell you sometimes later because I have to learn that first. Okay,
Sir, I searched in the Google Zillers rule.
did you get it?
No, I did not got it perfectly, but I searched it 2 times.
Okay, I will tell you that how to find out later. This is a level first, so we'll go ahead. Okay, so these are the keys. Month key we have to remember 100, and these are the day keys. Like if remainder you get 1, the day was Sunday. The day will be Sunday. If you get 2 keys, number 2 after dividing by 7, then okay, wait for some time. I will show you the full technique. Yes. So keys we have to remember. So we will go. First we have to take year. Whatever year we want to take. Like 200, 2020 if I have to take, I will take 20 only. If 1947 I have to take, I will take 47 only. Okay. Then how to find out leap year? This is the main question here. Okay. So main problem comes here. How to find out leap year? So 4, we have to know table of 4. So that way we go. Like if I want to find out 2005, any day of 2005, then I will take the number of leap year 1, because 5 के पहले एक ही leap year आया था. 0 to 5 only 1 leap year came. If I want to take for 2010, then leap year will be 2.
2 leap years.
Yes. If I want to take for 2014, then leap year will be
3.
3.
very good. So leap year कैसा निकालना है पता है हमें. 4 का table we have to know. Like if I want to find out 81, it's a big
20
number.
leap years.
20 leap year, because
20.
10 means 40. Again 10, 40 means 20. I want to
20.
find out 81. So before 81, I will stop.
Before
Very-
81, 80 comes and
Yeah.
80.
Yeah, it is very clear. So leap year finding technique is important here. Like if I want to find out for 2010, then leap year will be 2, because
2.
4 and 8 means 2 leap year. Okay, then month key I have to add. Like if January is there, then 7th. Okay, then date and divided by 7. So whichever date number comes, I have to divide it by 7. I should see only remainder, nothing else. Okay, so let us go for one. Then we'll find out today's date. Okay, today's day. So 1st April 2021. Okay, so first I will take year. to 21. Okay, leap year कितने होंगे? 4, 8,
5.
16.
Five.
5.
I will
Five.
not go beyond
5.
21. So 5 leap year.
5 leap years.
Then add the month key. So month key है
6.
yes.
6.
Then add the date. For 1st April, I want to calculate.
First.
1.
So total will come. I will divide by that total by 7. I will get 5 answer and 5 I will multiply with.
Thursday.
So 5 means what? Thursday here. You see, 5 means Thursday. This is easy to remember.
Thursday.
You have to start from Sunday, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. Easy. Okay. Yes. So this is another number. 40. 41. Yeah. You see now. Just we will see here. Okay, I will read message.
10 leap years are there till 41.
10 leap years because 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 like that I will go up to 40. So 40 तक कितने आते हैं? 10 leap year आते हैं. So 41 is the year. Okay, year, and then 10 is the leap year. Month key is 7, and then date is 8. I get number 66. I divided it by 7. I get remainder 3. The 3 means Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 1, 2, 3. It was Tuesday on that day. Okay. Now on this one point I want to tell you. Very important point. Okay. And then we will go for today's portion. Very interesting. Pythagoras. Okay. And then some linear equations. जिनको ज्यादा पता नहीं है, don't worry. Just एक hard भी कितना हो सकता है? In the first level, what kind of hard level could be there? That we are seeing here. Okay. इसमें मुझे क्या बताना था? Important point. हाँ, important point ये है, जब you see now, we have calculated for different number, not leap year number, right? जैसे हमने 2004 के लिए नहीं देखा है. If 2004 comes, because it is a leap year, all we saw those years were not leap years, like 2081, 2041 also, they are not leap year. So if I want to find out for 2004, what number I should take there? अगर मुझे 2004 का कोई भी डे निकालना है, because that is leap year, so in case what I have to do? This is the important question. So in case, see now, you can see here, if the year is consideration is a leap year and the month is either January, February, then subtract 1 day from the final year. If your normal answer is Tuesday, then actual answer is Monday. So what you have to do, if leap year is there and that leap year is between February, January and February. Okay, I will give the example also. Okay. If that leap year is between February and January, then I will -1 from whatever number I get. Okay. And if that is between March to December, in between March and December, then I will take as it is. Let us see the example. Like 2004 or 2008. 2008 is leap year or not? Yes, it is.
It's a leap year.
It is leap year.
Yeah. like 2008. Let me check. So 2008. If the date is between March to December, then I will take leap year sankhya as 2, right? If it is between March and December, then like 4th March 2008, अगर इसका मुझे डे निकलना है 4th March 2008, then leap year will be 2. Okay, and अगर मुझे 2008 ही निकलना है, लेकिन बिटवीन जनवरी एंड फेब वो अगर मुझे निकलना है, देन आई विल -1. माइनस फेब, देन आई विल टेक लीप ईयर एज 1. ओके, ये यहाँ पर क्रक्स है. 2008 तक 2 लीप ईयर आते हैं. मार्च एंड दिसंबर को कैलकुलेट करना है तो लाइक 4th March, 5th March, 6 July 2008, any number, then I will take leap year 2. And if that day fall between January and February, then I will take leap year as 1 for 2008. Now you tell 2016 is the number. Okay, if the date is between March and December, then how much I will take leap year? What number I will take?
4 only.
4 only I will take, because it is between March and December. 4. Okay, and 2016 only. If it is between January and February, then I will take this date as
3.
3. Just only -1 I have to do. Okay, so here 3 will come for January and February. So this is for all. If you know this rule, then you can find out answer for leap year also. Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us find out
Yes, sir.
the day. Yes, thank you. 20 June 2019. Oh, you don't know the keys for that. How you know that?
Sir, you told for
2 का 12 का square, 6 का square, 5 का square, right? So 1960. For this I will find out. First, what I will write down? If you don't know keys, wait, I will tell you. Keys 12 का square, 5 का square, 6 का square, 1 4 6 ऐसे हमने देखा था. I will write down keys here, okay, so that you will understand. 144, 036, 025. डे ऊपर में मंथ नहीं लिखने वाला. ओके, 25, 036 and 146. Yes, 144, 025. So this is January, February, March, April, May, June. So month की यहाँ पर क्या है? चलो ये हम पहले सॉल्व करेंगे अभी. ओके, 28th June. So first what I will write down? I will write down year. Like what year? Like 1916. Okay, then I will add leap year. Now it is in June, so leap year will be
4.
leap year will be 4.
4.
Because it
Yes,
is
sir,
between
4.
March and December. अगर ये 20 February होता तो 3 leap year. Leap year, once you get it, you can go fastly. Okay, month key for June is 5.
5.
Yeah. So 25. Then what I have to write down? Date. 20. 25 plus 25. 45.
45. 45.
Then
45
what I
divided by
do?
7.
Divided by 7.
Answer is Tuesday.
Answer is Tuesday. So remainder कितना आया? 3 आया.
3 आया.
Okay. Because 7, 6, 42 and 45 3 आएगा. So day was
Tuesday.
Yes. So this is the answer. You got it? How to calculate leap year?
Yes.
Yes,
It is
sir.
between January
अगर
and February, we have to
अगर
minus 1.
हाँ अगर 2020 है तो and you have to see between March or December or January or February. Okay. अगर between
Yes.
March and December है तो
4 ही आएगा.
4.
for 2020 5 आएगा.
4.
5 आएगा. 5.
For 2020. Okay. Yes, Tuesday. Vishaka right. All are right. Okay, chalo. Yeah, last time I could not make it more clear, so I did it today. Okay. ठीक. Now we will go to Pythagoras theorem. Okay, if you don't understand, don't worry. Okay. So हमारी traditional method पहले हम देखेंगे. So this is it. Draw this triangle.
Sir, can I tell formula for Pythagoras theorem?
Why not? I will write down here.
Sir, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square.
Right. Hypotenuse square is equal to base plus
Height square.
Okay. देखो अभी इसको हम कैसे करने वाले? How Vedic maths do this kind of things. Okay. So अगर हमें दो साइड्स दिए हैं तो हम तीसरी निकालते हैं, राइट? पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से. अगर हमें एक ही दिया है then how to find out other two? Okay, this is the thinking here. Okay, you will wonder how great formula is this. First we will find out for odd numbers. Okay, this is for odd numbers. मतलब एक odd number दिया है and you have to find out two other numbers. So actually wonder when I saw this, I was actually astonished. It is wonderful technique. So first हमें क्या करना है? First है we have to square it. जो नंबर एक नंबर हमें दिया है, I have to square that number. Square it. Like 3 का स्क्वायर क्या है?
9.
9 स्क्वायर करना है. Okay. Second, then whatever number I get, उस नंबर को divide by 2 करना है. ओके. सेकेंड. हाँ. थर्ड, जो नंबर मुझे डिवाइड करके मिला है उसका मुझे राउंड ऑफ लेना है. मतलब क्या बताता हूँ. चलो ये 3 स्टेप ध्यान में आए. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू स्क्वायर दैट नंबर वॉट एवर नंबर इज बीन गिवन. ओके. सेकेंड, डिवाइड दैट नंबर बाय 2 एंड थर्ड उसका राउंड ऑफ नंबर लेना है. we'll take it for this only. Let us see. 3 उसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 9. उसको
9.
डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, you will get answer 4.5.
4.5.
So 4.5. अबे राउंड ऑफ
So
लेना
round off
मतलब
किया
क्या?
तो 5.
राउंड ऑफ करना मतलब 4 and 5 दोनों को लेना है, क्योंकि 4.5 कहा किसके बीच में आता है? बिटवीन 4 and
5.
दोनों के बीच में आता है. So your answer is
4.
4 and 5. This is your answer. Very fast. Wonderful technique. This is your answer. Whatever number you get, no need to write a square, b square, nothing like that. So round off दोनों के बीच में 4.5 है तो I will take 4 and 5. 12.5 है तो 12 and
12 or 5. So 13.
12 or 13. Okay. Easy technique, wonderful technique. This is for odd number only. Let us solve one more example. Even if you know, you see, because techniques we don't remember. Answer हम quickly दे देते, but techniques we don't remember. Okay. If I have given 5 here, so how will you do? 25. First you will square it, right? Then 12.5. Just looking at that.
12 or 30. 12 and 13.
Very good. उसको देख के ही पता चल जाएगा what is the answer. So 12 और 5 नहीं है. Many will say
12 or 13.
12 and 13. Round off I have to take.
12 and 13.
12 and 13. Question can be there. Like 12 यहाँ से यहाँ पे लिखना है, बेस में लिखना है या हाइट पे लिखना है. You can write down anywhere. Doesn't matter. Okay. Like 4 में यहाँ पर भी लिख सकता हूँ. 3 में यहाँ का भी दे सकता हूँ. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. Abhi all of you will solve. It is for 7. Come on, shout the answer. Just looking at it. Like I will put 7 here.
24 and 25.
Wait. Yes, Aditya, you are right. So 49 divided by
So
2.
24 and 25.
24 and 20.
25.
24, 25.
Others, all of you got the answer. सबको मिल रहा है?
Yes, sir.
24.
लिखिए.
Yes, sir.
और 24.5 के बीच आता है तो वो उसका 24 और 25 लेंगे.
Yes, Adi, Prajot,
24 and 25.
Prathamesh. For many, because some children are there, they did not know this theorem, but let it be. So 24, 25. One more. Now those who are not giving answers, they will give answer. Okay. 9. Aditya, you
40 and 41.
हाँ. Others, please speak.
40, 41.
40,
Yes,
41.
because 81
40,
divided by
41.
2. So 40.5. So 40, 41.
40, 40.
Easy. Yes. Next, last, sort of bigger number लेंगे. 11. 121 divided by 2.
61, 62.
61, 62. Just by looking at it.
61 and 60.
61 and 62 is the answer.
This time,
61
Madhuri Amma
and
was fast
62.
than other. Okay. So square it, divided it by 2 and round off. Okay, 61 and 62.
Sir, answer is 60 and 61, no?
Oh,
60, 61. 60,
Sir,
60,
sir, because we get
60.5 we get.
60.5, we get
60.5.
60, 61.
Writing mistake. Okay. So 9 also we saw, 10, 11 also we saw. Keep it here. Now how to find out for odd numbers? Okay. See, I am telling you all techniques as fast I can tell. I'm not doing any time pass. Okay. If you go elsewhere, half hour they will speak, they will do time pass. No time pass here. Time is less and work is more. So work accordingly that. Learn quickly and go ahead. Learn new things. For even number, how I will do. So let us draw one triangle here. Okay. So even number I will take 6 first. Okay. Wait, bye. Yes. Okay. So first I have to do, I was doing square. So that doesn't change. Square it, whatever number. Then divide that number by 4. Earlier I was dividing by 2. Divide number by 4. Okay, 4. And then I have to minus 1, whatever number I get, minus 1 and plus 1. Then what I have to do? Minus 1 and plus 1. Whatever.
35 and 37.
Wait. And add that number. Add 1 in that. Okay. So 36, like square of 6 will be 36. What number Aditya got?
I got this 35 and 37.
Wait. So 36 इसका स्क्वायर है, राइट? फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है, जब भी हम जल्दी में जाएंगे ना, सम प्रॉब्लम, आराम से जाओ, आराम से सीखो, टेक्निक फास्ट सीखो, लेकिन जो सीख रहे हो आराम से सीखो. सो 36 विल बी स्क्वायर, देन आई विल डिवाइडेड दैट नंबर बाय 4.
4.
So answer will be 9.
9.
Minus 1. 9 minus 1, 8. And
8.
another number is 9 plus 1.
10.
8 or 10.
8 and 10.
8 and 10. So I will write down here. Okay, ऐसे के ऐसे notebook में लिखो and practice for 2 these that. Okay. Next और एक example लेंगे, like 8. और 10 ले लेंगे, चलो सिंपल. हाँ, so 100. Okay, first 10 square 100.
100 divided by 4, 25.
हाँ, रुको, 100. मैं थोड़ा स्लो हुआ. 100. Okay, 100 divided by 4, 20.
4, 25.
Minus
So answer is 24 and 26.
24 and 26.
24 and
24 and 26.
26. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now meeting will end in 1 minute. We will join back again. So again, I will explain. Square whatever number is given, then divide it by 4.
Minus 1 and add 1.
Add 1. In that number, you will get 2 remaining sides. And in even odd number, just divided that number by 2. And you have to take round off, like earlier number and the next number to it. Okay. So these are some techniques. After that, we will see some linear equations. Okay. Not much deep, but just glimpse of that linear equations. Okay. One more question is here. On that, I will throw some light. Like, agar bada number hai, so how to find out? You did it for small numbers. Agar bada number hai, to how to find it out?